Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Fidelity Bond Investing, where we will walk you through the process of investing in bonds with Fidelity, a well-established financial services company. First, let's start with the basics. A bond is a type of investment where you loan money to a borrower, typically a corporation or government entity, in exchange for regular interest payments and the return of your principal investment. Fidelity offers a wide range of bonds, including government and corporate bonds, municipal bonds, and international bonds. To get started, you will need to open a Fidelity account, which can be done online or by visiting a local Fidelity investment center. Once your account is open, you can begin researching and selecting bonds to invest in. Fidelity provides a variety of tools and resources to help you make informed investment decisions, including bond screeners, research reports, and market commentary. When selecting bonds, there are several key factors to consider, including the credit quality of the issuer, the interest rate, and the maturity date. Credit quality refers to the likelihood that the borrower will be able to repay the loan, and is typically measured by credit ratings. The interest rate, or yield, is the return you can expect to earn on your investment, and the maturity date is the date on which the bond expires and the principal is repaid. Fidelity also offers a variety of bond investment products, including individual bonds, bond mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. Individual bonds allow you to invest directly in a specific bond, while bond mutual funds and exchange-traded funds provide a diversified portfolio of bonds. In terms of best practices, it's generally recommended to diversify your bond portfolio by investing in a variety of different bonds with different credit qualities, interest rates, and maturity dates. This can help to reduce risk and increase potential returns. It's also important to keep in mind that bonds typically involve some level of risk, including credit risk and interest rate risk. In conclusion, investing in bonds with Fidelity can be a great way to generate income and diversify your portfolio. By understanding the basics of bonds, using the tools and resources provided by Fidelity, and following best practices, you can make informed investment decisions and achieve your financial goals.